Welcome back, everyone. You may be having an issue where for some reason your iPhone just keeps freezing or it keeps randomly stopping for some reason. Now this can happen for a couple of different reasons. There's never just one reason why this doesn't work. But the main way I've seen this, not work time and time again is if your iPhone is, if you installed a beta or if you recently installed a new version of software, or if you're rocking a very old iPhone. Most of the time that's why these things happen. So the first thing I'd recommend doing is to actually simply just go ahead and power down your phone. So you want to click on the buttons that typically work for you to actually power down your iPhone, and then you want to click slide to power off. So at this point, your iPhone's going to go ahead and power off, and you can pretty much just reboot it at this point by clicking the volume button or the power button again, and then wait until the Apple logo comes up, and then you want to go ahead and there we go. And you pretty much just have to wait it out until the phone actually fully reboots. Now, you want to see if it's still working. If it works fine, then you're set. If your iPhone is still freezing and it's still stopping randomly once you go ahead and power back on, you may want to go ahead and see if there is an update available for your phone. So as long as you're not jailbroken or you're not trying to jailbreak in the future, then you'd probably want to go ahead and update your device. So you want to go ahead and click on settings, you want to click on general, you want to click on software update, you want to click on software update right there, and then you want to see if there's an update available. If there is an update, you want to go ahead and click on it, and you want to click download and install, and you want to install that specific update that came out. For some reason that didn't work out and it's actually not installing, or maybe there's no update available. Well, the next thing I would recommend doing is to actually see if there's any applications or anything installed on your phone or any malware installed on your phone that you may be wondering about, or maybe you don't even know about. Now 99.99% of you watching this is probably not even applicable, but if you recently jailbroke your phone and you installed a tweak that didn't work out properly, if that's the case, then you may want to go ahead and unjailbreak your device by rebooting it and then removing that jailbreak by deleting Cydia, whatever you're using, and then pretty much move on from there. However, another way I've seen this actually happen sometimes is if you actually just somehow have a hardware problem on your iPhone. So things like this include, there's been repair programs in the back in the day, but if your iPhone is completely just like stopping and randomly not working, you may have recently dropped your iPhone and thus, causing some, problems to the logic board or motherboard or whatever, but there may be some other issues, underlaying around here and there. So the next thing I would probably recommend doing is to make sure that your iPhone is in good physical condition. If it's broken or if there's anything wrong with it, it may have some hardware issues. And at that point, I would recommend contacting Apple and having them take a look at your specific device. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.